it's Sam. So today I have a Jewlybox unboxing, and this is for the December box. So if you are not familiar with Jewlybox, it's basically a subscription that comes every other month, and it comes in this really cute little box, and it's always really beautiful pieces. You get 3 different pieces of jewelry, and you are able to take a little style quiz, and then you can pick whether you want silver or gold. I always get gold. All of their jewelry is either, if it's gold, it's 14 karat gold plated, and the silver are rhodium plated. They are nickel free. So today I'm going to show you guys what has come in my December box. I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's SAM, and that's going to save you guys $20 off. So normally it's $49.99 every other month. But with the code you would get $20 off your first box, which would bring it down to $29.99 a month, and then after that it would be $49.99 a month. So altogether this collection would be $194, but with my coupon code you guys would be getting it for $29.99. So really great deal. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the actual unboxing so you guys can see everything that I got. Really cute pieces, absolutely love them. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. I'll leave the link down below for you guys if you guys want to check out Jewlybox for yourselves. Don't forget to use that coupon code. I'll put that in the description box as well. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these pieces, if you love jewelry, and click the notification bell and comment down below what is your favorite piece that I showed you guys out of my Jewlybox December box. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. It comes in this cute little box like this. So it says, get it, love it, repeat. They always come with like a little card that tells you how to keep care or take care of your jewelry. And then you get 3 different pieces. So where's my little, I had a little pamphlet. I don't know what happened to it. And then you get these cute little bags. And then again on the bag, each bag says, get it, love it, repeat. And these are really nice to keep for when you are traveling, to keep all of your jewelry safe. So it comes in a little plastic baggie like this. They package everything really nicely to where it doesn't get tangled, which I think I just tangled it, didn't I? Yes, I did. What have I done? I'm so terrible with jewelry. Oh, here we go. Oh, I see. So you pull this like this, and then, oh, it has little cubic zirconias on the ends here. So you've got 2 little dangly bits here. And then you can put it around your neck, and then you can either wear it long. So it's quite heavy. There's some girth to it. Girth is probably not the right word for jewelry, but hey, that is what it looks like. So, oh, am I stepping on you, little baby? I'm sorry. She's sitting under my chair. So you got a little circle here, and then you have like the little bit that dangles down. Again, it has, this is just a solid gold bar. You can shorten it in the back, and then it pulls up like this, that it's a little bit higher, and then you still have that little dangly piece. Obviously without this, let me just take this off so it doesn't look so ridiculous on me. Hold on. So you can have it more like that, and then you just have that little dangly bit down. So that's adorable. Okay, so that's your first piece. What's going on here? Is that sitting down properly? I can't tell. Then we have, oh, these are cute. These cute little earrings. How cute is that? It's like a little dangly with the little cubic zirconias and then the golden bar, so it goes with the necklace. But those are really cute little dangly earrings. You get a pair of those. Okay, and then, oh, cute, we get a little bracelet as well. It's all matching. It's like a nice little set. So you get the earrings, the necklace, and the bangle. And let me just take off this thing so it doesn't look all silly. So that is what the actual bangle looks like. So again, same sort of idea with the little cubic zirconias on the end, just like the earrings. Look how pretty that looks. It's super delicate, and then you just get that little tiny touch of sparkle. And then the whole bangle is gold, and it's really nice and lightweight. It feels really good. It's not like super clangy or heavy, which I love because I really don't like really big clangy pieces of jewelry. So that's super cute. I love that. I think that would be really pretty with a watch as well. Yeah, that's super cute. So that's what came in my December box. Let me go ahead and see if I can find the little pamphlet that gives you all the information. Okay, I found my little pamphlet. So this is called the Nashville collection. This is actually named after Jewlybox's hometown, and Nashville is a city full of sparkle and bling, so what better inspiration for this collection? So the necklace is, the retail value is $88, and these are cubic zirconia, nickel free. Gold pieces are 14 karat gold plated. The earrings are called the Broadway. Those are dainty drop stud earrings, retail value $48. Your bracelet is retailed at $58. So you're basically paying, with my coupon code, you would be getting your box for $29.99. After that, it would be $49.99, and you're getting $88, $48, and $58 worth of jewelry. Really good deal. You do get some really beautiful pieces, and I have a lot of pieces that I have had for a long time, and they last really well. They're super beautiful, and they're really just delicate, and they're everyday pieces that you can wear with so many different outfits, whether it's casual or a little bit more dressy. Like, they're really nice and delicate and very kind of classy. So that's why I love Jewlybox so much, is because their pieces are just so feminine, classic, really, really beautiful. So if you guys are looking for good quality jewelry at an affordable price, this is definitely the way to go. And it's really fun. I just love boxes. You guys know I'm just like, I love them because it's every month or every other month or every season. It's like, ooh, fun, a little present. Or even if you decide to get it and then you gift one box for this time of year and then get the rest for yourself, cool beans. I hope that you guys enjoy. I will link Jewlybox down below for you guys so that you guys can sign up if you want to. Don't forget to use that code. It is SAM. That's going to save you $20 off your first box, which will bring it down to $29.99. So love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy Sunday. Bye.